Welcome back to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy taco. You heard me right, a healthy taco. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you how to do that right away. Today is Tuesday, so on Tuesdays what I like to do is eat tacos. It's Taco Tuesday. A lot of people follow that. I see it all the time on Instagram. So I'm going to show you a way you can still do the tacos, but have it in your diet in a healthy way. So what I got here is a jicama. So what I'm going to do is peel this jicama down. You can see that the jicama on the outside layer starts getting a little moldy. That's normal because of the humidity of the jicama. Jicama is basically almost, it has the texture of an apple. It has a flavor of an apple. But it's a nice little, almost like a cross between a fruit and a vegetable. And it gives you something really cool to play with, something that a lot of people don't know. I'm going to show you right now what I do with it when I want to do healthy versions of tacos. So I'm just going to peel it down like how you see with my knife. You can also use a peeler, but I use the knife just so I can really take it down really fast. So then I flip it over and I take down the other side. What I'm just doing is peeling the outside layer. So then when I have it like that. Now what I want out of this is the middle part, the biggest part. So what I'm going to do is cut down the middle. Now from here, I'm going to square the bottom so I can stand it up, which is going to make it easier for me to achieve the slice I want. So what I want to do is go down and just take it down nice. I'm looking for 3 nice little pieces. There you go. So now that I have my 3 pieces that I'm going to use, I'm going to lay them out like this. I'm going to discard this stuff right here just so it gets out of the way. Now what I'm going to put on top, I got some show shrimp that I cooked off earlier, just poached. I'm going to put it right down the center. Evenly. This is about 4 U10s. You can use 1620s, 2630s. The numbers also, if you don't know what it means, it just means how many shrimp to pound. Next, I'm going to take a little lime juice, half a lime, squirt it on top. I'm going to take an avocado. I'm going to use only about half of an avocado for this. You could probably get away with using actually a quarter of an avocado. I like avocado, so I'm going to try to use half. So I'm going to do little slices. Just like this. Then I'm going to take a little radish just for a little crunch. This is watermelon radish. I'm going to take a little greens. This is just baby arugula. You can substitute for any other green you want. But I wanted baby arugula just because I want the little peppery taste. I'm going to drizzle with a little honey lime dressing on top. I'm going to fold my taco. Now I'm going to put it down like that. And then there you go. So you're seeing what I did was use the jicama as my tortilla shell to create a healthy taco. Just like that. And if I want a little extra greens, I can add it at this point now that they're in the shells. And then here we go. And finish off with a little bit more dressing. So there you go. That's my healthy version of a taco. So it's just basically a jicama shell taco with some poached shrimp, some avocado, some rainbow radish, and just some lime juice. So simple, very easy. Now I'll give you a couple tips. First tip is instead of the shrimp, you can also use salmon. You can poach it. If you want to really go healthy, you can grill it. You could also do it like pulled chicken. You can steam it in a crock pot just to give it a different, very healthy, just a little olive oil, a little salt, let it cook overnight, and then you have pulled chicken, and then you have like healthy versions of tacos. So this taco is very healthy, and it's an easy one that you can make at home, and it'll keep your diet in check. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Stay tuned to next week for another episode. Hope you liked it. Please leave me any comments, any feedback, and as always, hit subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.